In this opportunity, we're going to talk about unity and coherence. Let's define these two terms. Unity. A paragraph is unified when it discusses only one main idea from beginning to end. Coherence. A paragraph is coherent when sentences hold together. The movement from one sentence to the other is logical, and the reader is able to follow your ideas. How do we achieve unity? Discuss only one main idea in your paragraph. Always stay on the topic in your supporting sentences. How do we achieve coherence? Repeat key nouns or use consistent pronouns. Use transition signals, linking words or phrases to connect ideas. Arrange your ideas in logical order. We are going to take a look at a writing model, but first, let's check these words. Smallpox. Smallpox is an extremely infectious disease that causes a fever, spots on the skin, and often death. In Spanish, it's called viruela. Polio. Polio is a serious infectious disease that can cause permanent paralysis. In Spanish, it's called polio. So now please pause the video and read the model. Now that you have read the model, I'm going to ask you a few questions about it. What is the topic sentence of this paragraph? As we have seen in previous units, the topic sentence is the first sentence of the paragraph. It's the sentence that introduces the topic that will be developed in the paragraph. What two examples develop and support the topic sentence? The successful campaigns against smallpox and polio. Which sentences introduce the first and second examples? Sentence number 2 and sentence number 8. Are all the sentences related to the topic sentence? Yes, they are. What is the purpose of the concluding sentence? Remember that the concluding sentence is the last sentence in the paragraph. The purpose of the concluding sentence is to paraphrase the topic sentence and stress the main idea. So by analyzing this model, we have seen a paragraph that has unity and has coherence. This is the end of the explanation. Please complete the activity in this section and then continue with the next video.